If you interpreted your Gram stain to be of a Gram-negative bacillus, you are ready to begin specific testing to obtain its identification. Through decades of work, a set of useful tests has been identified as being crucial in reducing the huge number of possible microbes to a manageable number. By starting with these tests, you should be able to quickly determine your unknown's ID by completing just a few additional tests. Start with the following tests: oxidase test, reaction on triple sugar iron agar, glucose fermentation, gas production from glucose, indole test, lactose fermentation, methyl red test, Voges-Proskauer test, and citrate utilization test. Once these results have been input, the ID matrix will likely have been reduced from 71 bacteria to 15 or less. Now the detective work is needed to find additional useful tests by studying the matrix and doing these to find the ID.